which we got from Christmas for both of us. Okay, so let's go. Okay, all we need to do is open this. We'll share. Here's the enter escape. Yeah, I think they already wiped it or something. Yeah. Maybe you have to. Oh yeah, it's locked here. Do we need to press that?
Whoa, this is so cool. I wanted to look at that.
Hiya! Hiya! Okay, now let's take it out.
Whoa. The laptop.
Come on, laptop, show your big butt out.
That's funny.
Oh,
whoa.
okay. Wait, try to select this one. Yes, you are right. This one lays more. Wait, Paxton, now it's your turn to select. Which one weighs more? I think this is too hard for you. We have to go. Inventions. Tell time. Notebook. Oh, let's try a notebook. Enter. Actually, you could type anything here. You could type whatever you want here.
I want to type.
Okay. You could type Saturn here. S-A-T-U-R. Saturn. And you could do capital.
Why did it say tornado? I want to do the tornado. I want to hear it again. Fish. I said fish. Fish.
Saturn.
You have to enter.
No, you could type it.